Welcome to the Casual Comfort channel where you will learn a lot of interesting and useful things for yourself.
Are you ready to celebrate your 60s with style and grace? Age is no barrier when it comes to looking stunning, especially when you find a hairstyle that will enhance your confidence and glow. Whether you are looking for a chic bob, a sophisticated updo, or something playful to add a little edge to your look, this video is filled with an incredible number of stylish hairstyle ideas designed for women over 60. From soft layers to elegant curls, we've rounded up the most inspiring trends to help you look and feel your best at any age. As we get older, our hair can change in texture and thickness, but that doesn't mean the fun of hairstyling has to stop. In fact, it's the perfect time to experiment with new styles that celebrate your natural beauty while making you feel effortlessly chic. Short crops, voluminous blowouts, and sleek pixie cuts are just a few of the timeless options we'll explore. You'll see that there are so many versatile ways to style your hair, no matter its length or texture. The bob remains a classic go-to for women in their 60s, and for good reason. This hairstyle offers a polished, modern look with minimal maintenance. Whether you prefer a chin-length bob or a longer variation, you can add layers or opt for a sleek, straight finish. The bob is a perfect blend of sophistication and ease, and it can be tailored to suit any face shape. You can also add bangs for a playful, youthful twist or keep it sharp with a clean center part. For those with natural waves or curls, embracing your texture can result in a beautifully timeless look. Soft waves add movement and volume to your hair, creating a fresh, carefree appearance. You can wear them loose for a relaxed vibe or pin them back for a more structured feel. If your hair is straight, don't shy away from using a curling iron or rollers to create this effect. It's an effortless way to achieve a youthful and vibrant style. If you want to give your hair more body, adding layers is the way to go. Layers can work wonders on thinning hair by creating movement and fullness. They also frame your face beautifully, giving you a rejuvenated appearance. Medium to long layers are perfect for adding dimension and texture to your hairstyle, and they work equally well with straight, wavy, or curly hair. This option allows for plenty of versatility, whether you're styling it for a casual day or a formal event. A smooth, straight hairstyle can be incredibly elegant for women in their 60s. Whether you're sporting a short bob or long, flowing locks, straightening your hair can give you a polished, sophisticated look. To keep your hair healthy and sleek, use a heat protectant before styling and finish with a shine serum. This look is perfect for those who prefer a neat, put-together aesthetic that works for both day and night. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more exciting content like this to help you stay stylish at any age. And if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts on these hairstyle ideas in the comments below. Your feedback is what helps us bring you the best inspiration, so we'd love to hear from you. Updos aren't just for special occasions. They're an elegant, sophisticated option for everyday wear too. Whether it's a loose bun, a twisted chignon, or a sleek ponytail, these styles can add a touch of refinement to your look. You can accessorize with pins or barrettes for a fun twist, or keep it simple for a more understated elegance. Updos are perfect for highlighting your face and neck, creating a graceful, elongated silhouette. Finally, sometimes the best style is simply embracing what you've got. Natural hairstyles that let your hair texture shine are effortlessly beautiful and require minimal upkeep. Whether your hair is curly, straight, or wavy, allowing it to flow naturally adds authenticity to your overall look. Use gentle styling products that enhance your hair's natural shine and texture, keeping it healthy and vibrant. As you can see, there are endless possibilities when it comes to hairstyles for women over 60. Whether you want to keep things classic with a bob, go bold with a pixie, or embrace your natural texture, the key is to choose a style that makes you feel confident and fabulous. Remember, age is just a number, and your hair can be a powerful expression of your personality and beauty. So, which hairstyle will you try next?